Hey guys, thanks for joining me. In this video, we're finally going to get to the command line, and I'm really excited about that because this is probably the key aspect to Linux that you're going to need to learn. It's great to have a bit of background knowledge and how to install the system, but those are the very small and insignificant in comparison to how much you'll be working with the command line. So to open up the command line, we use a program called Terminal, and you can access this in the Applications menu by typing Terminal, or you can hit Control Alt and T on your keyboard, and it will launch Terminal. So here is Terminal, and we're going to talk about just a few commands today. The first one is going to be pwd, and what pwd does is it prints working directory. So if I type it here, it's going to list the current directory that I'm in, which is /home/nic. This is my user directory. This is the default location that you'll be in. The second command that we need to talk about is cd, or change directory. So this allows us to basically change which working directory we're in. Now, I can type user share, for instance. That's going to take me to the user share directory, and I'm going to show you guys here in the file manager what this looks like. If I click computer here, it's going to take me to the root, signified by a /. So when you're changing directory, if the first character after cd is a /, that means it's going to be an absolute path from the beginning of the hard disk, or from the root directory. So here I could change directory into sbin, or I could cd into home again. And in home, we've got a directory called nic. So how to change directory with a relative path is you just omit the /, and this will basically tell it to change directory from whatever directory I'm in to the next level, which is nic, and I end up here. So again, you can change directory into an absolute path by setting the / to the first character, and we can see this is where I'm in. And then you can change directory with a relative path by not putting the /. Now additionally, another symbol in Linux is a period and a /. And what these two character combinations mean is in the current directory. So if I remove lib here, if I just change directory into the current directory that I'm in, I will stay in the same directory. Now I can type cd lib with the period and /, and that's going to send me into the current directory's next level directory called lib. So I'm going to cd back into home/nic. Now I could type it out like this, and this is about 10 characters, but let's say I was really lazy. You can use the tilde. And that's the key to the left of the number 1 key on the top of your keyboard. You need to hold shift and press that. It's the key directly under the escape key. This is a tilde, and this basically means home. So it's going to take you to your home directory, which is unique for each user. For instance, my home directory, as we can see up here at the top, is /home /nic, because this is my username. So we can use this a bit and put a different spin on it. Let's say I'm in user/share/applications, where I am right now is in this directory. We can type pwd to see the directory that we're in. If I want to go directly to home/Nick, I can type cd tilde. But if I want to go to home/Nick/documents, I can still use the tilde followed by a / followed by documents. And this is going to put me into home/Nick/documents.